Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. So if you need extra 12 volt power outlets in your car and are running all the time even though the key is not in the ignition, because these two right here, they don't have power when the key is not in the ignition, and this is a little bit convenient, so I added two more power outlets because I needed extra, and they are powered all the time. See the light, the LED light is on right here. So what I did is I got this from a dollar store for like $5 maybe. This is a splitter that you usually plug in into one of your cigarette lighters, 12 volt power outlets, and it gives you an extra power outlet. So instead of just having an extra power outlet, this way you will have two extra power outlets. So what I did is I opened it, took out the fuse in the head right here, soldered two wires, one positive and one ground wire, and then taped everything to the head so it doesn't move. It's secured inside, soldered and secured, and I put it right, and I run the wire from underneath the dash towards here with little tabs or zip ties. You can use whatever you got, all the way here to the fuse box. So here is the wire. So I put two fuses in there, two 15 amp fuses, one for each wire. You don't have to do that, you only have to do it for the positive wire, but I had too much extra fuses, so I was like, let me just put both in lines. So 15 amp fuses. This is the ground wire. I bolted it to one of the dash bolts right here to the ground, and the positive wire I put it behind that fuse right there. So it's pretty easy. You just pull out the fuse, put the wire in, and put the fuse back in, so it has power. So this fuse right here has constant power, even though the ignition is not on, the key is not in the ignition. It has power all the time. That's what gives power to the power outlets, even though the car is not running. So that fuse right there, let me just check the diagram. It's for safety power. It's for safety power right there. So that's what the fusing. You just put it out, put the wire in, then put the fuse back in, and all set. You have power, extra power. That's pretty much it. For $5 you have two more extra cigarette lighters and constant power. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment and like, and I will make sure to upload more. Thank you.